In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel sheets into Smartsheet. We'll walk through this process from inside a Smartsheet workspace, so go ahead and make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account before you start. Once you're in, navigate to the relevant workspace or project area where you want your imported sheet to live. You should see your usual list of sheets and folders in that workspace. At the top, look for the option to add new content to your workspace. This is typically labeled something like Add to Workspace. Click that. This is your main entry point for bringing in external files, including Excel and CSV files, and it ensures the imported sheet automatically ends up in the right place. After clicking to Add to the workspace, Smartsheet will show you a few different options for what you can create or bring in. Here, you want to choose the option labeled Microsoft Excel and CSV. Go ahead and click that. This tells Smartsheet that you're not starting from a blank sheet. Instead, you're importing existing data from a file. Once you've selected the Excel and CSV option, a file picker or upload window will appear. This is where you choose the actual file from your computer or connected storage. Click on the highlighted area in that window. It might say something like Browse, Upload, or simply show a drag and drop zone. Clicking on that highlighted section will open your computer's file explorer. From there, navigate to the folder where your Excel or CSV file is saved. Select the file you want to import, and then confirm your choice. You should see the file name appear in Smartsheet, indicating that it's been selected and is ready to go. Next, look for a button labeled Continue and click it. This step usually brings you to a brief confirmation or setup screen, where Smartsheet prepares to convert your Excel structure into a Smartsheet format. Take a quick moment here to make sure you've picked the correct file, especially if you keep multiple versions of similar spreadsheets. When everything looks right, click on the Import button. Smartsheet will process your file and create a new sheet based on the data in your Excel or CSV. After a few moments, your imported sheet will appear in the workspace, ready for you to review, format, and start collaborating on.